I just want one more of those huge bolts that we saw. Just one more. You can see the rain.
What's that?
That is a thunderstorm. Can you say rain? Rain? Every time I put the camera on Ricky, who cares, right? I miss a big bolt of lightning. Wow.
Wow.
Wow. Did you see that?
What's that?
What is it?
What is it?
Oh, you had to hear that thunder. That one had to record. It's just everywhere. Every time I see one bolt, I try to move the camera, and it's the bolts on the other side.
Oh no.
Wow.
Wow.
Wow. Ricky, are you getting wet? Wet? It's just constant. It's awesome. Ricky, come here. You're going to get struck by lightning. Come here. Stay over here. Stay right here, okay?
What was that?
What was that? What was that? Baby, this is awesome. Finally, huh? Oh, yes, I got it. Did you get that big thunder too? Yes, yes. I know that had to tape. You posted it on Facebook? I was just gonna send it to my mom. It's kind of long. Okay, but it's like, what did you write?